Now, those who are seeing this for the first time, let me tell you, this is the device called the abacus, which is composed of 13 rods, each comprising of 4 beads. These are called beads. These are beads. These beads. These are beads comprising of 5 beads in each rod. So we are discussing about this tool, which is quite beneficial for calculating. Today I am going to show some basic fundamentals of abacus, which is going to be interesting. So what we are doing at the first stage, this is called the abacus, as you can see. So this is called zoom. We are doing this for the first time. So this rod, this rod, this one is called unit rod, and uh, each this is unit rod, same as that of the 1th place, 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place, as we have done in the basic mathematics before. So in our earlier classes, this is unit rod, means 1th rod in basic mathematics. This rod is quite the first stage, first rod of the abacus. Then it this one, 10th rod, 100th rod, 1000th rod, 1000 rod, up to 1000 rod. This is clear. Now this is for example, I am taking, this is 1, this is 1, this value is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, this kind, this type, this is 4 total value. Let me zoom in. This is 4, and this is 5. So 5 plus 4, this is a total of 9. This is a total of 9. This is a total of 9, and same as this is also total of 99, because this is a 10th rod. So this value comes to 90, and this is 9, so 99. Same now let us do some of the basic sums. Let's take an example of adding 5. 5, again add 1, then add 1, this is 6. 5 plus 1, 6. Again add 2, this is 5 plus 1 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 3 means 8, so this is 8. Again, if we are considering again now at 10, this is at 10, this is a 10th rod, as I have stated earlier already. So this is 8 plus 10, 18. So this is a total of 18. This is a total of 18. And this is once more another 10, means 18 plus 10, 28. Now let's take an example of add 100. So this is a 100, so this is a total of 128. This is a 100th rod, as I have already stated earlier. This is the 100th rod. Every bead in this rod will count to 100, means this is 128, this is 228, 328, 428. This is the matter. Now in this rod we are going to already 20, so this each bead has a power of 10. So this is 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30, 40, and this is a power. This is the this is 40 plus 50, 90. So this is a total power of 90. In the unit rod we have power of 1 in each beat, so we have already 8 here, so one more, 9. In this rod we have 9, this rod we have 90, and this rod we have 40 so far. So we will put another beat, so 90, 900, 900, 999. This is 999 in total. This kind of sums we are going to do. Now Abacus has 8 levels, 8 basic levels. Then Abacus will be complete. So uh, each level has some basic sums. We are going to do as this is our first video, we are going to do some of the simple sums. Let take our consideration to do a sum called say one second please, once again. Say we are going to do today, add 1, then add 2, then add 3. Now add 1, add 2, add 3. Now if we are going to add 3, we have to do another thing, which I will tell to you guys on the later videos on this topic, which is going to come very soon. So let's do something else. This is I have already told 1. This is 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11. Now let's subtract. Now let's subtract 1. So 11 minus 1, 10, 10. Now from here we have to subtract 1. So if we are going to subtract 1, let me go to the topic. Okay, now the rod is complete. 10 subtract 1, we have to take friends and bosses. So we have two bosses, small bosses and big bosses. So this is a case of big boss. So we have to just add 9 here, minus 10. So 10 minus 9, 10 minus 1, 9. So in case of big bosses, we must remember that friend of 10 is 9, friend of 10 is 9, friend of 6 is 4, friend of 4 is 6, friend of 7 is 3, friend of 3 is 7, friend of 2 is 8, friend of 8 is 2, friend of 10 is 1, friend of 1 is 10, friend of 9 is 10, friend of 10 is 9. This is the concept of big boss. Now when we are going to small boss, we have to do let me see that 5 plus 1 6 6 7 8 9. This is 8. 8 plus 1 9. So we have to add 1 again. So if we are going to add 1, we have to raise the 10th bit, means 10th ordered bit. So it's 10, and we have to less 9 here. So 10, 9 plus 1 equals to 10. This is the basic one. And when we are going to do another thing, say this is the this is we what we call the big boss. Now if we are going for small boss, let me take the example 1 2 3 4. Now it's 4. Now we have to add 1. 1 to 4 means we have already 4 in this rod. So we have to add one more to get 5. So what we have to do to add 1 here is bring the 5 here and less 4. So 4 plus 1 equals to 5. This is our outcome, small boss. Always remember that. So 4's friend equals to 1 in case of small boss. 4's friend equals to 1. 3's friend equals to 2. 2's friend equals to 3. 1's friend equals to 4. 3's friend equals to 2. These are some of the basic things in the first level. So let us subtract now. 5 minus 1. So we have to subtract minus 1. So in case of subtracting, we have to call 4 and subtract 5 here. So 5 minus 1 equals to 4. This is our outcome. This is 4 in units beat. So this is minus 1. So again minus 1, 3, 2. This is less. This is minus 1, 0. So we have a total outcome of 0 in this rod. No calculation are done. So these are some of the basic things we have to learn before doing abacus. Uh, I have tried to explain you some of the basic things, and if I couldn't have succeeded to explain these basic things, please write down in the comment section and leave a like and subscribe my channel. And if you are not pleased with this video, you can leave a dislike also.